how to create a gig on Fiverr. First, open your web browser and search for fiverr.com. After that, you will be redirected to Fiverr's homepage where you can either sign in or join. Since I already have an account, I will proceed to signing in. After successfully signing in, we can see here the different services provided by other users. Now, to create a gig, let's click on Switch to Selling, and then we will be redirected to the seller's dashboard. Under the dashboard, we can see My Business. Just click on that and click on Gigs. From here on, we can manage our gig. We can check on the current status of our existing gigs. Here we can see the Create a New Gig button. Just click on that. And from here on, we will be going through these steps 1 to 6. First would be overview, pricing, description, and frequently asked questions, requirement, gallery, and then finally publishing our gig. For the overview, we have here our gig title, wherein I will proofread and edit your academic papers. For the category, it is under writing and translation, specifically under proofreading and editing. The service type will be proofreading, and the gig metadata includes the language that we will use. I chose English, but you can choose up to 3 languages. For the search tags, I chose document, proofread, copy editor, academic writing, and Word document. Save those changes and continue to the next step. The next step includes the scope and pricing of our gig. We can choose to either offer packages or just stick to the basic one, like I did here. Now for the basic package, I chose the title Proofreading and Editing. As for the description, I said it includes correct grammars, spelling, punctuation, references if necessary, and AI detection service. Rest assured that the service will be done in 3 days. The words included are 3,000 words. By default, grammar and spelling is checked. Fact checking is included. AI detection and editing is included. And 2 revisions are allowed for the price of only $20. For the extra services, we can choose whether to add extra services such as, say the client has additional words, we can say that we will include an additional charge of $10 for an additional 1,000 words, as well as extra fast delivery for rush commissions. Say you'll deliver in only 1 day for an extra charge of $10. Save and continue to the next step. Next is the description and frequently asked questions about the gig. For the description, I made it so that it is only a summary and an outline of the details that we previously input in overview and pricing. Next, in the frequently asked questions, here we can add questions and answers for our buyers. I included questions such as what language will you use? I indicated that I will use English language. What file type would the client receive? They can choose between either Word document or PDF. Do I accept rush commissions? Yes, as long as they avail of the additional service that we included earlier. Save and continue to the next step. Now we are under requirements. This is the 4th of the 6 steps. Here in the requirements, we will be asking questions to the clients. Unlike in the frequently asked questions earlier, the clients get to ask us questions. Here I included an additional question because we are required to put at least 1 additional question for the client. I asked if the client has any specific requests before I start working on their paper. The client will answer under free text, so they can type whatever they want to answer the question. Next, we can save and continue to the 5th step. The 5th step includes the gallery. Here, we can treat this as the portfolio where we can put and upload our samples for the clients to be clear with our credibility. We can provide sample works that you have previously made or come up with new works and then upload them here. Next, save and continue to the final step. The final step is publishing the gig. Now, before you publish a gig, since this is a work of proofreading and copy editing, we need to test our English skills. I have already accomplished the test and passed it, which is why I need not take the test again. Finally, we can finally publish the gig. And that's it. The gig is open for business.